Hello everyone. For this tutorial, I will show you the list of templates offered by Microsoft Word. So as you can see, dito sa taas, we have list of templates na naka-display with a thumbnail. Now let's click on this More Templates link here. Or just click on the new button here. Dito you have the list of templates na pwede nyong gamitin. Let's say for example, kung kailangan nyong gumawa ng certificate, so may mga templates na dito na pwede nyong gamitin. Edit nyo na lang. Or, kung wala dito sa list yung kailangan nyo, may nakakategorize din dito sa taas. Or you can search online. Type nyo lang dito sa search box. So let's say for example, we need templates for cards. Click lang natin to. So ito yung mga list of templates for the cards category na ina-offer ng Microsoft Word. May business cards, may thank you card, birthday card, and a lot more. So let's say for example, kailangan nyo mag-apply for a job. Click nyo lang tong resumes and cover letters category. Again, you'll be presented with a list of templates na pwede nyong i-edit na lang. You can change colors, of course, change the text, shapes, and more. So let's say, for example, we'll be using this template here, marketing resume. Just click on it and then click on the create button. Wait for it to download. So once loaded, so ngayon ito na yung template na napili natin. So all we have to do is, again, edit this one. For example, here I'll put ID Toolbox. Then tanggalin natin to. And then we can even change the picture. We can just right click on it. And then on the fill option, you have picture option. And then you can choose from a file or from online or even an icon. Let's say we want a picture from online. And let's search for computer. I'll type here. So let's just scroll down. So let's just use this one, online training, and then click on insert. So ngayon, napalitan na natin yung picture. So ganun lang yung concept. Same with the other templates. Click nyo lang, and then click on the create button. Wait for it to download, and then you can start editing. So that's it for this topic. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.